In this video, I'm going to go over what I did to get accepted into Merch by Amazon within just a couple of weeks and how you can do it too. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Caroline and I make videos to help you master your mindset and make money online so that you can build a life you love. If you do enjoy watching videos like this, please take a moment to subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And don't forget to click the bell so that you get a notification whenever I upload new videos just like this. So normally my videos are all about Amazon KDP and low content publishing, but I'm actually interested in all types of print on demand businesses, including print on demand t-shirts and clothing. Basically, I like anything involving graphic design. So while my focus is on KDP for this year, and that is where I spend most of my time, I do enjoy designing for t-shirts and clothing. So I decided to try and join the Merch by Amazon program. Now, I am by no means an expert at merch. I am just learning as I'm going, but I thought that some of you may be interested in print on demand merch, then you may want to follow my journey with it and just see how it works and see whether I can actually make any money from it. Videos I create for this channel will still be focused on KDP and low content book publishing, but I will do videos like this on Merch by Amazon sporadically for any of you who are interested in seeing what I can do with this platform. If you have absolutely no clue what I'm talking about, Merch by Amazon is their print on demand service where you create designs for products such as t-shirts, pillows, pop sockets, hoodies, phone cases, things like that. These products are all sold on the Amazon marketplace with your designs on them. And when someone purchases one, you receive a royalty, very much like KDP. There is a huge potential to make sales because just like KDP, you get access to Amazon's massive customer base to sell your products to. It's really great because, again, just like KDP, there is no investment to get started. There's no investment of needing to build your own website or online store or buying inventory in bulk to sell to your customers and then taking care of all the packaging and shipping of those orders. There is no cost to join. You just start creating your designs and upload them, and that is it. So I submitted my application to Merch by Amazon a couple of months ago, and because I am so focused on KDP low content book publishing, I completely forgot that I had applied for it. And it was only when I actually received the email saying I had been approved that I remembered that I had applied for Merch by Amazon. So from the time it took from submitting the application to getting approved was approximately 2 weeks. So what did I do to get approved so quickly? Now, I'm sure that people do get approved by doing other things than what I did, and you probably don't have to do it exactly the way that I did, but I definitely think a couple of things helped. First of all, you need to head over to the Merch by Amazon page and request an invite. It is an invitation only platform. You will need to fill out some personal details, some contact details, some business details and banking information for payments to be received and things like that. There is also a questionnaire section which works out how much tax Amazon will be required to withhold on your sales if you make any based on what country you live in. And then once you are done with this formal part of the application, the next part is what you need to fill out correctly, and it's where your application will get either approved or rejected. The next section will ask you for additional information to support your application. This part is crucial and it basically tells them why they should approve you and let you sell on their platform. So here are some tips that will hopefully help you get approved quickly as well. If you already have an online store or a website showcasing designs that you've created already, tell them about it here. Provide them links to that website. And this includes if you already have accounts with other print-on-demand suppliers like Redbubble, Teespring, TeePublic, or even marketplaces like Etsy or eBay. I have an online store myself, which I created a couple of years ago, which has a bunch of t-shirts and hoodies for sale, which are fulfilled through a print-on-demand supplier called Printful. It also has a social media following attached to it. And this is what I used to show Amazon what kind of designs I will be creating, that I already have a bunch of designs ready to be uploaded straight to Amazon, and to show them the quality of designs that I can create. It shows them that my designs are original, that they don't infringe on copyright or any trademarks, and that I don't copy anyone else's designs. If you have the time, and I highly recommend doing this, it would be worth setting up your own website or your own online store, or at least setting up some accounts with Redbubble or Teespring because they don't have an approval process like this. You can basically sell straight away on those platforms, and then create a handful of designs and upload them so that Amazon can see what you are capable of. And I would do this before applying to Merch by Amazon because I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that if you have been rejected by Merch by Amazon, you can't apply again. And once you've done this, once you've created some designs and uploaded them to a website or a platform, you can provide Amazon those links in your application so they can see your store or your designs. They basically want to see how you are going to make money for them, and they want to see that you're going to have quality designs going up in their marketplace. So demonstrate to them your potential. And I actually really like this strictness that they have that other platforms like Redbubble don't have. It's very frustrating when you join a platform that is just swamped by bad designs or spam products, and it's hard for the good ones, the good products and the good designs to be seen by customers. Amazon is trying to avoid this, and I like that. In this additional information section, you can also include anything else that you may think is relevant to Merch by Amazon, including things like if you have any training in graphic design or perhaps experience or training in online marketing. Also include information about any social media accounts that you may have that can help promote your products on Amazon. This isn't just about what Amazon can do for you. They want people that can help bring them customers, as well as sharing their existing customers with you. If you already have accounts and sell products on other Amazon platforms like KDP or FBA, tell them about this too. Next, double check that all the information that you have entered is correct. A lot of times an application will get rejected, and it's just due to a silly error that you didn't go back and double check or fix before submitting the application. Third, be honest. Don't try and scam the system and enter incorrect information because you think it'll help you get approved. It will come back to bite you later. Fourth, make sure you have correct spelling and grammar. Proofread what you've written in your application and make sure that it makes sense. Think of this like a job application. If you can't get your spelling correct in your application, it will probably make them think that your designs will have errors in them too. Or if your grammar is subpar, they'll probably think your designs are subpar too. So hopefully by doing these things, it will help you get your account approved by Merch by Amazon quickly. And then what can you expect once you do get approved? Earlier, I mentioned that Amazon are trying really hard to keep their merch print on demand platform high quality and free from spam and low quality designs that they don't want flooding their marketplace. When you first get accepted, you get put onto low tiers. You then have to sell a certain amount of products before you can move up to the next tier. So let me explain a little better. As I'm just newly approved by Merch by Amazon, I am on tier 10, which is the starting tier. That's where everybody starts at. This means that I'm only allowed to upload one product per day to a maximum of 10 products. So I can upload 10 products over 10 days, but only one a day. When I reach 10, that's it. I can't upload anymore. I then have to sell a certain amount of products before I can move up to the next tier, which is tier 25. And at tier 25, I can then upload a maximum of 25 products. I'm not sure exactly how many products that I do have to sell to get up to tier 25. I have heard that you have to sell 10, and that's why it's called tier 10. You sell 10 products, you move up to tier 25. But then I've also heard of people getting upgraded to the next tier selling less than that. So I'll just have to wait and see. But basically, Amazon want to know that your designs are good enough to sell before they let you upload anymore. And while at first this can seem really frustrating, only being able to upload one product, one design per day, because you're probably just of the mindset of, I just want to get my designs up. I just want to try and make as many sales as I can so that I can move up to the next tier. But this is where those bad designs would start to hit the marketplace, and Amazon doesn't want that. And as a seller, you don't want that too. You don't want your designs flushed out by all these really bad, low quality designs that people are just throwing up without any thought or any care, just trying to make a sale. They don't want people to be just throwing up a design and see what sticks. By only allowing you to have 10 products, it's really forcing you to really step up your game and make sure that your designs are the best that they could possibly be and the best that you could possibly make them to give them a chance to sell. And if they don't, you don't get to upload any more products. So I hope this video has helped you if you are thinking about applying for Merch by Amazon. I will post videos now and then about this platform so you can follow my journey. I will show you my progress with the platform. So if you are interested in seeing more videos about Merch by Amazon, please give this one a thumbs up to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe.